Oh, just one screw is all I need. I strongly suggest a helper. Yeah! Hey guys, Jason here in the garage, and the thing I struggle with the most in this garage, besides finishing my projects, is lighting. So I picked up this Hexagon LED light kit on Amazon, paid $100 for it. And my goal in this video is to install this in one take without running to the hardware store. I'm gonna use everything that came with the kit, and let's just get this thing installed and see what this does for the lighting in my garage and potentially yours. Our chances are you've seen these all over YouTube. I think it's for good reason. They look cool, they're inexpensive. It may be a little time consuming to install, but let's get to it and see how they look. All right, let's tear into this box, see what we got. I may have to take it into the house because I have a feeling there's gonna be a whole bunch of parts involved. Let's do it. Wow, a lot of parts is an understatement. We're gonna take this inside the house and we'll bring it back out when we're done. All right, I've got everything kind of laid out on the dining room floor here. Just trying to go through the parts, get an idea of how this goes together, and come up with kind of a plan before I bring it back out to the garage. I'm just gonna start rifling through these parts, kind of make sense of the instructions, and we'll go from there. So I started to assemble this in the house, and you'll see later on in the video why this turns out to be a bad idea. So get familiar with how everything works and clips in, but don't build it too far in advance, and we'll talk about that later. Holy cow. Wow, that is bright. That's awesome. All right, so I got part of this structure assembled in the house. This thing holds together pretty well on its own weight. If you hold it this direction, a little more flimsy this way. We're gonna play with this a little bit and just see how it looks on the ceiling and then make some final choices here soon. Can't remember the last time I had a $100 project that I was this excited for. This is actually really fun. A rough idea is I kind of wanted to go like diagonally here. I'm just wondering how far I should go before I start screwing it to the ceiling here. Yeah! Oh, that's so awesome. All right, guys, look at this light. It is so cool. I'm so excited for this. I'm gonna loosely hang it on the ceiling, and hopefully I can add some more to it as I go once it's kind of loosely up there, because it's getting to the point where I gotta start supporting this thing somewhere. So, okay, here we go. Hope this thing doesn't collapse on me. Oh, just one screw is all I need. Oh, I strongly suggest a helper. Sweet, okay. Oh, nope. She's coming down. She is coming down, guys. Ew. Well, that'll make for good YouTube. I broke a clip, but I learned a valuable lesson so you guys don't have to make the same mistake. All right, so my new strategy here is I put in a couple of the clips loosely in the wall, and it allows enough free play to just kind of build this whole structure on the ceiling. So one by one, I'm just putting in these light bars and kind of making a shape as I go. a little sketchy, I think. So this kit came with a light socket kind of plug-in adapter, so this will turn on and off with your light switch. So I'll probably use that for the time being until I come up with a better solution. Holy cow. This is sick. Let's keep working on it. All right, this is looking amazing. Oh, I'm so happy with it so far. Look, it's not perfect. The geometry may not be perfect, but I think for the most part in my videos, you're not gonna see this. You're gonna see, it's gonna be panned further down and it's just gonna light up the room. And you may get a little bit of this hex pattern reflection on some of the bikes or whatever I'm working on. So that's the idea. We haven't made a single trip to the hardware store yet. Let's see if that stands. Okay, so I'm running out of the connectors. Here's the one that I broke in the first part of the video. So I'll do a couple more octagon shapes over here, and then I'm gonna call it good and just get it all secured. Let's get after it. Lights are installed. Didn't make a single trip to the hardware store, and for 98 bucks, I am extremely satisfied with this project. All right, every one of these brackets gets a screw, and most of these are just in straight drywall. I got a few in the studs, but this thing is pretty light, and I'm not too worried. Really adds a lot to this kind of studio garage space I have here. If you like this, the link is in the description. It's an affiliate link. I'd appreciate if you use that, but otherwise I spent my own money on this kit, and I am really, really pleased with how this turned out. I guess drop a comment below what you guys think of this lighting set. Pretty low ceilings in this garage, so it was really easy to install. Obviously you've seen how I started to install it, and that was definitely the incorrect way. So real easy job, a few hours and 100 bucks, and you've got an amazing light setup in your garage. All right guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel, come back for more, hit that like button, and let me know in the comments below what you think of this kit, and we'll see you in the next one.